Hi friends, welcome to day 66 Daily Current Affairs. Today first news is COVID-19 cases breach 18,000 again amid Maharashtra surge. Inappropriate behavior due to lack of fear, pandemic fatigue cited as reasons. A significant share of the daily COVID-19 cases in India is being recorded in Maharashtra. The chart plots new cases in the last 2 weeks recorded in Maharashtra and in the rest of the country. So more than half of the cases are coming from Maharashtra. This is so pathetic situation. Nearly 2 crore doses given. Nearly 2 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses have been administered since the inculcation of drive-in began on Jan 2016 with 7.6 lakh senior citizens and 1.4 lakh persons above 45 years of age and with comorbidities getting their first dose on Saturday. Nearly 70 lakh healthcare workers have been vaccinated with at least one dose of the vaccine. Remove PM's photo, says Election Commission. The Election Commission of India has asked the Union Health Ministry to come up with a way to ensure that vaccine recipients in the poll-bound states of West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Assam and Kerala and the Union Territory of Puducherry don't get certificates with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's photo on it till the Model Code of Conduct is in force. So Election Commission is saying that don't give certificates with Prime Minister Narendra Modi photo as a proof of vaccinated. Villagers release peace as guns fall silent along LOC. It is a time of healing for residents. Living just 850 meters away from Pakistan army positions on the hill slopes of Pakistan occupied Kashmir, villagers of Balakot and Silikot near the line of control in Baramulla's Uri are finally picking up threads of life left frayed by frequent shelling and snipping in the past 3 years. ETFO Types Up with Amazon Big Basket. EV manufacturing aims to ensure last mile connectivity through electric two-wheelers. Electric vehicle manufacturer ETFO has tied up with e-commerce companies Amazon and Big Basket in an effort to ensure last mile delivery through its electric two-wheelers. On Saturday, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Secretary Durga Shankar Mishra flagged off the electric vehicle fleet in the presence of Telangana Municipal Administration Principal Secretary Aravind Kumar. India-Japan cooled to Colombo offer of new port project. New Delhi has indicated that it was not directly apprised of negotiations with the private investor. Days after the Sri Lanka cabinet decided to allocate Colombo's West Container Terminal to an Adani Group consortium to compensate for cancelling the East Container Terminal agreement previously signed by India and Japan, both New Delhi and Tokyo have signaled their distancing from the decision. Protesters continue in Myanmar after UN envoy urges action. Security forces used stun grenades, tear gas and protesters. Security forces in Myanmar again used force on Saturday to disperse anti-coup protesters a day after the UN Special Envoy urged the Security Council to take actions to quell junta violence that this week left about 50 peaceful demonstrators dead and scores injured. This is the last news for today. Government open to evaluate explore cryptocurrencies, said Thakur. High-level Interministerial Committee on Digital Currencies submit reports. Union Ministry Anurag Thakur on Saturday said the government is open to evaluate and explore new technologies including cryptocurrencies for improving governance. Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself is a strong advocate of embracing technology in various aspects of governance, the Minister of State for Finance said while addressing an event organized by Entrepreneurs Organization ETFO Punjab. So the RBI virtually banned cryptocurrency in 2008 while the SEC struck down the Cubs. Okay, they want to not use the Bitcoin, but they are interested in the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. These are today's daily news and current affairs. We'll meet again in tomorrow daily news and current affairs. Thank you very much.